Good morning students, I am Pavan, your science master. Today I wanted to speak to 6th standard students. Children, in the previous class we have talked about preservation of the food and vegetable carving and different methods of preservations and what is preservation and various things we have talked about. And today I wanted to talk about the improve your learning section of the lesson. So, improve your learning section includes the list of the questions that what we have learned that we have to answer for the questions. Okay. And here the first question from this improve your learning section is, what are the common food items usually eaten by you? Here how do you answer for this question? What are the common food items usually eaten by you? You just make a list of food items. Okay. The heading you should mention here, the common food items usually eaten by me. You should write answer like this. You have to identify the heading from the question. You have to identify the heading for the answer from the question. Okay. The common food items usually eaten by me. Here you should write answer like this. The common food items usually eaten by me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The list of the food items you have to mention here. That's enough for this answer. If you say that that foods that you eat like breakfast like idli and lunch like rice and different curries and dinner and curries including rice, So, like that you can make a list of the food items that you eat usually you eat. Okay. That is enough for this question. The answer is enough for this question. Okay. And question number 2. Question number 2 is, you have to write the ingredients for making different food items, like find out the ingredients of given food items. Question number 2, what? Find out the ingredients of the given food items. So, there are some food items given. The food items like, first you just make it a cereal, not like you just write alphabet A. Pachipulusu, tamarind soup, and B. Coconut chutney and jalebi and onion pakodi. Do you like eating these food items? Yes, I too like to eat this type of food items. So, you have to write the ingredients needed to prepare these food items. So, here how you have to write the answer? You have to put heading answer like this and draw a table like this. Okay. and here heading like food items. Actually, these food items name should come after the question here, and same food items come in this answer in this table pattern. So that you have to understand. As there is no place to write, I am writing the same food items in the answers table. You try to understand. And what you have to write here? Ingredients. So what are the ingredients needed to prepare pachi pulusu, tamarind soup? You can understand, yeah. Water, chilli powder, chilli, salt. You just mention the names of the ingredients like this. I am not writing all the ingredients required to prepare this food item. I am just teaching you that what are the ingredients needed and how you have to write. Okay, tamarind and water, chilli powder and salt and other ingredients. If you know other than the ingredients that I mentioned here, you just write them, that's enough. Okay, if you don't know, you just ask your mother or father. They know very well more than you, and you can write the ingredients required to prepare these food items. Next, coconut chutney, same. Yeah, here coconut. And what are the other ingredients needed to prepare this food item? You just mention the names of the ingredients that are required to prepare this coconut chutney. Next, jalebi, same. You have to write the names of the ingredients, and onion pakodi also, same like that. Okay, you have to write the ingredients required for this food items here. Okay, this will be the answer for this question. I am not writing the ingredients required to prepare these food items because different people use different ingredients to prepare, and what all ingredients required to prepare these food items, you ask your parents and you can write the ingredients. Okay, if I write here, that becomes in a spoon feeding, that you have to find yourself. Okay, that's enough for this answer. That's enough for this question. Okay, next question. Yeah, next question is, write down the process of question number 3. Write down the process of making upma or any other snack of your choice. So here you know that I have already talked about different methods of preparing food items, right? You know, yeah, you follow any one of those methods to cook. You know what method is followed to cook upma or any other snack of your choice. You know, whatever snack item you like most, you just write the process of making it, and in that, how you have to write here? First of all, heading, ingredients needed. Otherwise, you just write to prepare upma or any other snack of your choice. Here you can write whatever you are, this is under answers. Okay, to prepare upma, that is the heading for this answer. In the systematic order, I am expecting you to write in a systematic order to prepare upma and any other snack. Okay, and then what are the needed things, that means ingredients. Okay, you should not miss any point from this heading, side headings like this. And then process, that means the methods of preparing foods we studied about, right? You follow any one of those methods and write the whole process that involved in the preparation of the food item that what you are going to prepare. Okay, and this will be the answer for this question. Okay, I am giving you that the information in detail. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, then let us move to next question. Yeah, next question is, okay, what you have to do, question number 4, collect any food wrapper, packed food, you know that collect any wrapper of packed food, collect any food wrapper, collect any food wrapper and read the information details, read the information details, and then what details, and answer the following questions. So, what are the questions here? A. First question here is, you have to write the name of the food, name of the packed food, food wrapper like chatpat, kurkure. I am not encouraging you to eat these packed foods, children, that you remember. I am just giving you this as a project work. Okay, you just write the name of the food wrapper, food, name of the food item, and then what you have to write next, price, of the food item. Okay, price of the food item. Next, when was it manufactured? Okay, then how long can we use it? How long can we use it? And next, as there is no place, I am writing here E. Names of Names of what? Ingredients. So here what you have to do is, you have to check out all the details on the food wrapper like this, name of the food item and price of the food item, when was it manufactured and how long can we use it, and the name of the ingredients used to prepare that food item. Okay, got it? So like this you can do, and you can do it like a project work and submit in our WhatsApp group. Okay, children, you have to do like this and you have to submit in our WhatsApp group. I wanted to stop this improve learning section till here, and rest of the questions, if you have textbook, you see the questions in the book and you try to find answers for those questions. Okay, children, and this is for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all.